Hello everyone, this is Arthur again. I have a very special car today in here for a few maintenance items. It's a 2008 Audi R8 V8. It's white with this kind of brown burgundy interior and has the single clutch manual transmission, automatic. It does say V10 on the side, but it's a V8. Let's take a look around. Nice bronze finished wheels. This is a first generation car. I think these look the best. Some nice big brakes. The car is a little bit dirty, but I believe it's gonna get wrapped soon, so there are a little bit of imperfections on the paint here and there, but nothing major. The tail lights are tinted. It does have an aftermarket exhaust on it. I'm not sure what brand it is, but it sounds pretty good. So the engine and the rear window. Let's take a look inside. It has 57,000 miles. Seats look really nice. Very nice quality inside. Some carbon fiber accents in the interior and in the engine bay. Let's take a look under the hood. Here's how you open the rear hatch on one of these. There's a little button over here, and then you come around and just lift it up. It's a great looking engine. This car was here for new plugs, new coils, new valve cover gaskets, oil change. Coolant reservoir was leaking. Replaced all that, and also got a new tensioner and a belt, as they were looking a little old. Let's start it up, see and hear how it sounds. Lift up the car and see how it looks from the underneath. Here the car is in the air. It's gonna take a look. With this many miles on it and this age, I expect some kind of scratches on the bottom covers, which this car has plenty of them. Especially this one is lowered. It doesn't have the stock adjustable shocks anymore. Now it has coils, thankfully, which stocks were known to fail and are very expensive to repair. Here is the back. See the engine right here. These cars have a dry sump lubrication system and has about 4 drain plugs to drain the oil, 3 on the pan and 1 on the tank. This one had some damaged threads and wrong plugs on them. I repaired them. Now it has original plugs and original threads. Everything is good. Some more covers. Everything is covered with these multiple T30 screws. You need to access anything, you have to remove a lot of screws on these cars. For aerodynamic purposes, everything is nicely covered. Here you can see the front diff, suspension, see a little bit. Everything looks good. This car drives really well. There's a little damage on the cover here. Nothing big. Here's the new tensioner they are replaced and a belt. These cars are known to have an oil leak from the oil cooler that goes over here. The way you check it is check over here if there's any leakage here. This one is nice and dry, so no leaks from there. It's got a little bit of oil leak coming from the valve covers. I repaired those, and some coolant leak from a reservoir replaced with a new reservoir, which is shared with the Audi Q7 from the same year. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. There's gonna be some more interesting cars coming and I'll make videos on them. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.